In a press release, the governor laid out a three-step plan. It bans the transfer of deer from farms in CWD-affected counties and requires additional fencing at farms and hunting ranches. It also bans hunters from moving deer carcasses from CWD-affected counties. Democratic Assemblyman Nick Milroy of South Range has called for improved fencing at deer farms since 2016. He says the governor's plan is a welcome first step.
Putting in place specific rules and regulations that will require people to have these types of fences in place is a very important first step to help stop the spread.
Milroy says he would also like to see a moratorium on new deer farms in Wisconsin, along with a statewide ban on baiting and feeding of deer. Rich Kramer, Wisconsin Public Radio.
Deer like to lick nutrients at naturally occurring or artificial salt deposits. Researchers at the UW-Madison took samples from 11 licks in southern Wisconsin in regions where there have been outbreaks of chronic wasting disease. The scientists found the prion proteins specific to CWD at 9 of the locations. Environmental chemistry professor Joel Peterson co-authored the study.
Well, it confirms a suspicion that deer are shedding prions into the environment and that prions are present in the environment.
Peterson says regulators might want to consider discouraging landowners from putting out salt blocks or food to lure deer. Typically, CWD transmission studies have focused on captive animals. Chuck Quirmbach, Wisconsin Public Radio.